Moolah.
Realest MCOI.
Hey, star, man. Hey, what's good, man? It's T Moolah, man. I'm out here in Lee, Mass, man. I got, you know, I'm chilling with my boy Infamous Muff. Shout out to Infamous Muff. Tune Entertainment, you know. Got my boys here with me that come to celebrate, you know.
Got Lee Mass.
Happy birthday. You know, just USF. You know, so we just chilling, man. You know, just tune in. Smoking on that good kush and all that other shit. Hold on. I got a little bit of shot. I got a little bit. Some of that moolah green, but yeah.
Yo, I wish we had smell-o-vision right now.
Smell-o-vision. Oh, let me let the bag air out a little bit for you. You know what I'm saying? So you get a little whip. Christmas morning. Smell like that Christmas tree. You know what I'm saying? Oh. No. Come on. No. All right, fine. Whatever. See. Shout out to my smoke buddy, my sis. You know what I mean? If it wasn't for her, this party wouldn't be happening. But anyways, I'm chilling with these guys right here. You know, these some cool dudes. Shout out to these guys for coming through. Oh, come on. Look at these chicks. What up? T-Moolah. Beautiful lady. It's a bomb ass.